Hey everyone, and welcome back to Pokemon Emerald. In the last episode, we made our way up here to Rustboro City. In this episode, we're just gonna jump right into it and take on the Rustboro Gym. Now, this gym is a rock-type gym, which is weak to both water and grass, and so because of that, I have Flanders and Nori out front here. They're gonna be sort of our main two for this challenge here. Geodude is pretty easy. It's both rock and ground, which are both weak to water, so it takes quadruple damage from water and grass. So very, very easy to take out. Also, as you can see, I trained everyone up to level 12. No one really learned anything new except for Nori. Nori learned Quick Attack. Other than that, everyone's pretty much how you remember them. I want to actually do this as a double battle, even though it gives you the option to fight these two alone. But I want to get some EXP both for Nori and Flanders. Lucky me, they both use level 8 Geodudes, so no real challenge here. Just gonna mash our way through this. Okay. That's not who I thought Flanders was gonna target. But alright. Ah, Mud Sport. A move that lowers the power of electric type moves. When every Pokemon that they use is immune to electricity already. Very smart play. Truly a genius of our times. Ooh, Flanders leveled up. Ooh, Flanders learned Wing Attack. That's actually really good. I mean, not for this particular scenario, but it's still good. In general, it's good for taking out grass types and fighting types. Okay. Oh my god, I am so nervous about this, but here we go. I do have a little bit of a strategy. So I have a chance. I think I have a chance, but I'm still really scared. Really, really scared. This can go really bad really quickly. Gonna start off one-shotting this Geodude with Water Gun. Same for the next one, hopefully. Okay, good. But that's not the beast. This is the beast. This Nose Pass, for one thing, it is pure rock type, so it's only double damage from water. For two, it is very strong. So I'm gonna start off with a Supersonic and hope it hits. Yes, okay, good start. Now hurt yourself in confusion, please. Good. And I'm gonna switch over to Nori because Flanders has higher damage output, but Flanders is weak to rock-type moves because of the flying type. So Nori can survive maybe a couple more of these rock tombs that lower speed. That's the real kicker. Ooh. Didn't Nori have an Oran Berry? Oh no! It might have used the Oran Berry when I was training and I didn't notice. Oh no, that's bad. Come on, hurt yourself. No. Oh god, this is No! What? Critical? Okay, I guess I have no choice but to use Flanders. Okay. Oh, good job, Flanders. Thank God for that critical hit. Oh my God. No, right out the gate we lost a Pokemon. No, and it was our starter. That's what hurts the most. That was our first Pokemon. I was gonna take her to the big leagues. It's okay though. It's okay. She would have been happy. She would have been happy. We got the gym badge. That's what matters. She would have appreciated. Her sacrifice wasn't in vain. She didn't die and then we lost. And that's what matters. We gotta just keep going. We gotta just keep going. Oh, that sucks though. I was really excited to use Nori more because I've never used Trico. I've always either done Torchic or Mudkip. So I was really excited to see what Sceptile was all about, but... Oh, that sucks. I'm gonna rename this box, just so that it's a little more fitting. Dead. And we're gonna change the I'm gonna make it like a sky wallpaper, because they're going to heaven. They're good Pokemon and they're going to heaven. Wait, she did have an Oranberry. Why didn't she use her Oranberry? Huh? That's confusing to me, but okay. It's fine. I'm gonna take that Oranberry off her rotting corpse. It may not be the most, respectful thing to the dead, but I need it for reasons. Oh man. Oh, that sucks. Okay, well, I guess I'm gonna put Lemmy out front so he can get some EXP. He can't fight yet, he still only knows Teleport, but I can switch him over to Cleo or Flanders if I need to. Hey, bro. Yep, I'm a hero. Alright, we're gonna do some more hero work. Never mind, we're gonna get jumped by a Whismur. Whismur, I've never used a Whismur, and I don't know, I like Abra and Kadabra, but I don't know, it would have been interesting if I'd gotten a Whismur. Just to see what it's like. Wimple. Not a huge deal, we're just gonna switch over to Flanders. Oh, ignore that, I accidentally hit a button. My finger twitched. Uh-oh, that's bad. Let's just hurry this fight along. Yep, that's not good. You kinda did have me, bro. I mean, you poisoned me. That's a little scary. Do I? Oh, no. No, I have some Pecha Berries, though. Nope, I don't want to check tag. I want to use. Okay. I believe this... Whoops. Really? One tile in? Okay. as I was saying, I believe this kid has a Machop. So we're gonna want to use Flanders. Yeah, okay. Not the most eventful stuff going on here, but it'll be over real quick. Youngster Joey, Youngster Joey. Hey, you don't have a Rattata. You're not the real Youngster Joey. Liar. That's a dang imposter. Shroomish used to be a little scary, but now that we have a flying move, we can take it out no problem. Unless it paralyzes us, in which case there is a small problem. Okay, it's a good thing Absorb is insanely weak. Okay, that's a little scarier. Uh-oh. I think I'm gonna switch over to Cleo. Just because I don't want more death this episode. What? Why did that do so little? Does Cleo have a low attack nature, maybe? Or maybe that Shroomish had a high defense nature. I don't know. I'm gonna go heal real quick. Okay, we're good. Ooh! Why is there so much grass? I don't want to fight wild Pokemon. I've already made my catch for this route. Okay, if things... I've learned my lesson with Tailo. I'm not gonna underestimate this thing. If things start to look bad, I'm bouncing. In fact, I'm just... Wait, no, it might have Keen Eye. This was... It doesn't have Keen Eye. Oh, you're gonna lose. What ability does Tailo have then, if not Keen Eye? Usually birds get Keen Eye as an ability, and what Keen Eye does is it stops them from losing accuracy under any circumstance. Okay, we're just gonna run from this for quickness's sake. And you know what? There's 3 trainers here that all have, early game teams, not the most exciting things. So I'm just gonna skip to when I've beaten them all. See you in a minute. Something I'm realizing is that this team is gonna rock the next gym. Like, once Lemmy learns an attacking move, they are gonna be unstoppable by any fighting type. Spoilers for what the next gym is. It's a fighting type gym, and we have a psychic type and a flying type. We are gonna destroy that place. That's gonna be awesome. I think Cleo needs some EXP. She's starting to fall behind. Kill all at all! I like that phrase. I want to start using that in daily conversation. I'm gonna sand attack this boy. Don't you sand attack me. Okay, good. I'm gonna give it 2, and then I'm gonna start attacking. No, then I'm gonna use Howl, then I'm gonna start attacking. Gotta think these through, gotta plan this out. Okay, a little scary, but we're gonna be fine. Oh yeah, we're gonna be fine. You just made the wrong choice, my friend. You're dead. You're dead forever. Yay! Goods! I love goods. Pico owes her life to me? Were they gonna kill the thing? The Wingle? That's what it is. I don't want to say the thing. That sounds diminutive. It sounds, mean. I'm gonna teach Cut to, Wait, Cleo can't learn Cut? Why? She has claws. Let her cut down a tree. Like, I know, like, oh, she has claws. How is that gonna get through a tree? But it's like, Zigzagoon can learn Cut, I'm pretty sure. Why can't Cleo learn Cut? That's lame and mean and sucks for me. Boo. I'm just gonna cut back to when I get to town because this is gonna take a while.
Oh? How did it go? The Devon Guards? I don't know why this is what my voice sounds like. Oh god, I'm changing! I'm morphing!
We'll give you another great ball. This is the Devon Corporation's 3rd floor. Our president's office is on this floor. Anyway, I can't tell you how much I'm grateful for what you've done to get you to this floor. By the way, that parcel you got back for us, could I get you to deliver it to the shipyard in Slateport? I would send it in the mail, but we don't have a postal system in this world. Our president would like to have a word with you. You're under arrest.
I'm Mr. Stew, the president of the Devon Corporation. I just got word about you. You saved our staff not just once, but twice. I have a favor to ask of an amazing person like you. I understand that you're delivering a package to Slateport's shipyard. Well, on the way, could you stop off in Dewford Town? I was hoping you'd deliver a letter to Stephen in Dewford. Obtained the letter. Avery put the letter away in the key items pocket. Now, you should know that I'm a great president, so I'd never be so cheap as to ask a favor for nothing in return. That's why I want you to have this.
Yippee! A Pokénav.
That device, it's a Pokemon Navigator, or a Pokénav for short. It's an indispensable tool for any trainer on an adventure.
On an adventure. Why is that hard to say?
It has a map of the Hoenn region. You can check the locations of Dewford and Slateport easily. By the way, I've heard that sinister criminals, Magma and Aqua, I believe, I accidentally pressed A. I think it would be best if you rested up before you go on your way. Well then, Avery, go with caution and care.
Alright, man, I'll do it.
We're developing a device for talking with Pokemon, but we haven't had much success. I'm trying to develop a device that visually reproduces the dreams of a Pokemon, but it's not going well. Well now, what should I work on developing next? Our company allows us to make our inspirations into reality. One couldn't ask for a better environment as an engineer. I've been trying to develop a device from
I ruined the joke by messing it up. By messing up my words. And it's working! That's the big joke. It's like, oh, everyone's having failure except for this dude. Anyway. That'll be important later on.
I've been developing an added feature for the Pokenav, and it turned out great. Avery, may I see that Pokenav? The one our president gave to you? There you go, Avery. I added a new feature named Match Call to your whatever. I don't care. Oh my god, stop with the tutorial nonsense. Pokenav, Match Call, Devon Prez, Mr. Stone. It's making me do this. I don't want to do this. I don't care. There we go. Now we can bounce. Ooh, I think there's a rival fight coming up here. It's optional, but do I want to do it? No. If it's optional and I can skip it, I will. Just because my team is not particularly fighting fit for like a varied team. Just gonna... No! Don't make me fight you! We got a match call feature put in... Okay. Yep. By the way, Avery, I walked by Mr. Briny in the Petalburg Woods. I bet it's on his way. Mine rules. Want to have it? No, no, no. I don't have any confidence in my Pokemon. Not for your team. Your team is probably, like, crazy strong by now. Rival Fight 2 is always really scary. In every game. There's special items you can get if you go right where the cut trees are, but someone decided they can't learn cut, so... Nah. Hold on, lass. Wait up, Pico. You're Avery. You saved my darling Pico. We owe so much to you. What's that? You want to sail with me? You have a letter bound for Dewford, and a package for Slateport, then. Quite the busy life you must lead. But certainly what you're asking is no problem at all. You've come to the right man. We'll set sail for Dewford.
We're going on the dang sea! Yippee! Yippee for sea! Hey, Dad. Yeah, it's real windy. I'm on the ocean. I love the ocean. Dad Norman. I call my dad his first name every day. I don't want to actually say his first name. I don't want to dox my dad. I live on 123 Flower Street. And I have 14 dogs. No, what am I doing here? Alright, I want to go... I need to fight the gym leader first to get... Whoops! Okay. I need to fight the gym leader before I do anything real in Granite Cave, but I do need to go to Granite Cave. Both for quest and for, Pokemon. To catch a Pokemon. No, don't you dare poison my girl. Good. Good job, Tentacool. You suck. Tentacool is actually pretty good. But... not when I'm fighting it. Uh-oh. That's not great. Come on, Cleo. Push through. Yippee! Good job. Good puppy. She's a good girl, this Cleo. Okay. I'm gonna stick with Cleo, actually. Right now. Well, no. I'll switch over to Flanders. And I'm actually gonna use a repel, because I'm gonna go grab a second repel for... No, wait, there's no Pokemart on this island, so... Yeah, no. I'm stuck with just the one. I'm gonna game the system a little bit. Because I do want a specific Pokemon from here, and it's only found in the lower floors, so I'm gonna at least raise my chances of getting it. Okay, okay. Here we go. Maybe I can get to Steven without Flash. I wonder if I know the way well enough. I'm gonna need Flash for Dark Caves later in the game for sure, but I might be able to get to Steven raw. That's a bad way to say that. Yes! Oh, look at him! Or her, look at her! She's so cute! She's so small! I'm so scared of killing this thing on accident. What do I want to do here? What's my game plan? Okay. One water gun. Is steel weak to water? If it's quad weak, I don't want to go for water gun. But if it's only normal weak, it can maybe survive one. I won't know until I try. Live, 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 live. Yes! Okay, okay, okay. We're good, we're good, we're good. I don't care if this thing is, like, bad. I don't know how viable it is. I don't know anything about, like, how good Pokemon are in this game because I just use the ones I like. And I really like this Pokemon. And I'm so glad my gaming the system worked. I could have also gotten Sableye, and I wouldn't have been too sad about that, but I really like this Pokemon. It's really bad for this gym, though. So, she's not gonna get a chance to shine for a while. What's her name? About, what's a good, material, like, mineral or metal? What about... Ooh, what's the chemical term for silver? That would be really good. I'm gonna actually look that up real quick. Hold on. Argentum. Okay. I'm gonna name her Argent. Maybe it's Argentum, but I don't care. It's Argent in Doom. Maybe... I'll go with... Nah, I'll just keep her as Argent, because that's cute. Well, it's not really cute, but it's cool. Okay. And I'm gonna bring out... Oh no, I have Flanders out front. Okay, that's good, because we got rock types in here. I'm gonna see if I can actually get to Steven without Flash. I have no more need of you. Perish by my hand. You fool! Flanders is flying type! Immune to ground! Sometimes you just have to become an anime villain. Okay. We're almost there. Oh! Okay, we're pretty much there. Cool. Ooh, Makuhita wouldn't have been bad. I've never really used Makuhita. But no, I'm happy with what I got. I love Aeron and its future forms. Like a lot. Like Aggron is one of my favorite Pokemon. Like tied for second or tied for first place. My name is Steven. I'm interested in rare stones, so I travel here and there, and everywhere, and up and down and all around. What, a letter? Who does that? It's 2024. Take this CD and get out of my face. It contains, Holy Wars, The Punishment Due, and Symphony of Destruction. And that's it. It's just those 2 random Megadeth songs. I have no idea what I'm talking about, ever. I'm just having fun. Yeah, I'll let Flanders get up to level 16. Not that I have much of a choice now that I've already done the move. I want to get, well, I can train him up in the... Can't use that here. That's good, because I didn't mean to. I can train him up in the gym. I want to get Lemmy up to level 16 so that he evolves and learns an actual attacking move. But I will do that between episodes. For now, I'm just gonna get back to town and heal up. Yeah. Just give me the thing. Just give me the thing, bro. Thank you. Alright, yeah. I'm out of here. And we're gonna heal up. Heal up the pup. And everyone else also. Alright. Made it to Dewford. Caught some, well, 1 amazing new Pokemon. I'm so happy with that. Yes! That almost makes up for losing Nori. Alright. I'll see you guys around. Laters.